Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to add an employee if it is coming through recruitment route. Before login into PromptHR, please check you must be having rights to add an employee. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Personnel from your left-hand side menu. Click on Employee Form. Click on All. In the list view that you see, click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen to open the form. No need to fill this form because all above details will come automatically from Recruitment module. Candidate name finalized after shortlisting, interview and completing all other recruitment processes, so no need to fill name, date of joining and date of birth here in the form. Click on this candidate come through recruitment option. After this you can see the list of candidates. Before moving forward, you can view interview assessment sheet that interviewer filled up at the time of candidate's interview. From here you can view the list of documents that candidate uploaded at the time of pre-offer verification process. From here you can view candidate's complete salary details. For example, candidate's salary in the last company, first proposed salary, second proposed salary, third proposed salary and final offered salary. Now click on the option button against the candidate name whom you want to add to the software. Most of the details are already filled up and fill all the rest. Select zone. Select cost center, if required. Now enter employee's father name. Change employee's direct manager/supervisor/first level manager, if required. Skip per second level manager will automatically be selected, because it is boss's boss. Employee's notice period is coming here from masters, but if you want to change for this employee only, you can change it from here. Employee's probation period is coming here from masters, but if you want to change for this employee only, you can change it from here. Enter some notes here, but it is not mandatory option. Uncheck if this employee will not participate in payroll or attendance or leave. Now click on Save icon. After saving, in the list you can see employees on offer stage. In another video we will show you how move employee from offer status to current status. For this video, link is given in the description, or search how to move employee from offer status to current.